So what do you think about this? You know this guy?
Yeah, I heard his music and stuff.
Haiti, all right. So go ahead and read part of it. Any part. Maybe the conclusion even.
I'll read this part.
Okay.
Sweet Mickey Martelly faces the task of rebuilding the poorest nation in the hemisphere. The former singer faces the task of rebuilding the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere. The international community has pledged about $10 billion.
10 how much?
$10 billion.
Whoa!
But reconstruction has advanced at a snail's pace. About 670,000 earthquake refugees still live in squalid tent cities that dot the capital. Ratcheting up the misery, months after the earthquake, Haiti was struck by a cholera epidemic, which so far has killed about...
Cholera or cholera?
Oh, well, in Creole it's cholera.
Ah, very good. Nice.
Which has killed about 5,000 people and hospitalized nearly 150,000 more.
Whoa. So you have a plan for this country? You're going to bring solar ovens?
I don't know, I think they need medicine and stuff.
Lots of stuff. I know they have something called the World Stove. It burns wood better.
Yeah, they have like little kitchen outhouse type things.
And less smoke, right?
Yeah.
It uses less wood, so they don't have to cut down as many trees. What else is good down there?
I guess they farm a lot there, so they're still very traditional and stuff.
Very traditional?
They use electricity and stuff.
They need electricity, or
they don't use it.
They don't use it because they don't have it. Yeah. They improvise.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, awesome. What about the mac and cheese? They have mac and cheese down there?
Well, it's not like a traditional food or anything.
Oh. Yeah.